GeniusMind Technologies, the go-to destination for comprehensive laptop repairs.
Are you a laptop repair technician looking for 100% free schematics, board view files, and BIOS bin files? Look no further. At GeniusMind Technologies, we specialize in chip-level laptop repairs. But that's not all. We provide a massive collection of laptop schematics, BIOS files, and board view files absolutely free. Whether you're fixing a no-power issue, diagnosing a no-display problem, or reprogramming a BIOS chip, our resources will help you. Getting your free files is easy. Just visit GeniusMind4U.blogspot.com, search for the schematic or BIOS file you need, and download it instantly. If you don't find it, just request, and we'll provide it within a day. Don't waste time searching all over the internet. Get your free laptop repair files today. Visit GeniusMind4U.blogspot.com now. Like this video, subscribe for more repair tips, and share it with fellow repair technicians. Let's make laptop repairs easier for everyone.
At GeniusMind Technologies, we breathe new life into your laptops. Whether it's a quick fix or a complex chip-level repair, our skilled technicians handle it all with precision. Cracked screen? We offer premium replacements for all major brands, restoring your device's brilliance. Is your laptop lagging? Upgrading your RAM and SSD can give it a performance boost without breaking the bank. Plus, we have a wide range of high-quality accessories, chargers, keyboards, and more at affordable prices. No matter the brand, our expertise ensures your laptop is in good hands. Struggling with power issues or software glitches? We diagnose and fix everything, so you can get back to what matters. Connect with us on WhatsApp or visit our website for more details. At GeniusMind Technologies, we prioritize quality, speed, and affordability. Your laptop deserves the best care.
GeniusMind Technologies, the go-to destination for comprehensive laptop repairs.
Call 078-179-4898 to make an appointment for your laptop repair today.